Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back to my channel, The Scotty Farm in Brisbane. Tonight guys, magluluto tayo ng tuna adobo. So ito yung mga ingredients guys. First, I have tuna here. Hiniwa ko to siya ng cubes. Into cubes guys. Tapos I have peppercorn. I have suka guys, vinegar. And soy sauce, oil, at saka yung mga spices ko guys is chili, ginger, garlic, laurel, tapos may sugar din ako guys, and I have seasoning. Alright guys, ito na yung tuna ko guys. Ilalagay na natin siya sa pan. Ako lang nag-slice dito guys. Iniwa ko lang to siya into cubes. Arrange nyo lang siya sa pan. Just like that. Para pantay ang pagkaluto. So, we will cook same. Next is we'll add the vinegar. The silver swan from Philippines, made in Philippines. Tansyahin nyo lang talaga guys. Tansya lang. Then let's put soy sauce. Soy sauce. Tansyahin nyo lang guys ha, yung soy sauce na ilalagay nyo. Tansya lang tayo guys kasi wala akong exact measurement. I will add it more. Tapos oil. Para tong ano guys, para siyang ano tawag, paksiw pero adobo. Kasi may mantika. We call it tuna adobo. Yes, like that. Tapos yung mga spices niya guys, ilalagay nyo lang lahat. Para dapat nilagay niyo na yung sugar para mag-dissolve siya mamaya. Tapos na seasoning. Ilalagay niyo lang talaga lahat. Put all the spices together. The garlic, ginger, luya, chili. Yan lang, lagay niyo lang lahat. Ibuhos niyo lang lahat guys. Tapos so guys, yung sauce kasi natin hindi siya ganun kadami, so we can add either water or fish stock. Pero ako, my choice is fish stock guys para mas malasa siya. So we add a bit of stock para to add some sauce. Konti lang tansya. Yes, that's it. Yeah. Ayan na guys, nakasalang na yung tuna adobo natin guys. The heat is only medium heat. Tapos lulutuin lang natin to for like 5 minutes. Pero i-check nyo pa rin siya guys while it's boiling. And if you flip over nyo siya, baliktarin nyo guys para pantay yung pagkaluto niya. So I will show you again later pag binaliktad ko na yung tuna. Guys, kumulo na yung tuna adobo natin guys. Iano lang natin siya. Baliktarin lang natin guys. I-flip lang natin. Sa luto na to. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, just like that guys. Flip nyo lang. Tapos takpan ulit hanggang isi-simmer nyo lang guys. Hanggang sa yung sauce niya konti na lang. Cover the pan and let it simmer. Until hanggang sa yung sauce kumunti guys. Alright. Okay guys, luto na yung tuna adobo natin. Ililipat lang natin to sa serving plate. Ayan, naka-off na. Ito na guys. Ayan. Our tuna adobo is cooked. I just... nasa plate na yung tuna adobo natin. It's already cooked and ready na kaming kumain for our dinner tonight. Looks very yummy and smells so good. Tuna adobo. Guys, isi-serve ko na. This is for my husband, for Dave.
For Daddy.
Yeah.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
And my tummy.
Yeah.
We always like Mommy's food.
The
guys.
sauce. Let's spread the sauce all over the veggies. Watch out for the peppercorn.
It's the little bombs of flavor. The peppercorn. It does get me sometimes.
But chili don't.
That's fine.
Chili always make your tongue red.
Make your tongue red.
Yeah, I hate that chili. Usually Daddy will
Oh,
say
so much you're giving me over there.
six.
Oh my gosh.
4.
Oh, no wonder I'm getting huge.
That.
I tell you.
That.
This is for KB.
Oh yes, KB surely 6.
Yeah.
Won't you?
Why you put
Eh?
chili?
Is that chili?
It's not chili, it's sauce.
Alright.
Alright. Alright, I can vouch for the tuna adobo. It is the best adobo in the world, really. It's just, if you haven't tried tuna adobo, give it a go because it is fantastic. Pork adobo, chicken adobo, tuna adobo, spot on, the best you'll ever taste. Give it a go.
Yeah, tuna is yan. Alright. Our dinner is ready. Kain tayo guys. Let's eat. Husband is...
I'm on the launch pad. I'm at DEFCON 1 here, ready to eat this delicious dinner. And I tell you what, like I said, tuna adobo is amazing. It is my favorite. And it's Friday night. We always have tuna adobo on Friday
Every
night.
Friday. Fish
Before
Friday.
before the footy starts. The footy starts in about half an hour. Richmond and who are those other clowns? Oh yeah, Brisbane Lions. That's right, where we live, Brisbane Lions. So we don't really follow any of them, but we're thinking maybe Richmond will win. But anyway, tuna adobo. Seriously, watch Mary's recipe. Give it a crack. It is just the best.
Alright.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye guys. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel, The Scotty Farm in Brisbane.
Yum.
Is it done?